Welcome back to T Electronics, your electronics video channel. Yeah, I'm back. It was a long time ago with my last video, and as I have been lucky or not, you can think of it. We have the virus lockdown now, and I can make now plenty of projects. That's positive for me, right? And today's project is about power supplies, and I wanted to show my power supply that I will build, and I have began with the metal work that you can see here. Holes are drilled, cutout for the heatsink is made, switch and mains input, all cutouts are made, and I want to bend this aluminium piece 1.5 millimeters thick, 25 by half a meter long, and as I said, I want to bend it this side up, which will be the back, this side also up, it will be like in U shape, and this will be the front here. The front needs something on it, some writing, you know, to look better and to know what the power supply does. And I wanted to cover it with a dry film, negative dry film, that is used with PCBs, as you know, possibly. But I haven't seen that on aluminium, and I wanted to try that out. And this is the best time now, because I haven't bent that aluminium sheet, and you can see here I have a laminator, and I wanted to laminate the negative dry film, and without much talking I wanted to show you the lamination process. So here we have the resist. I have cut a piece of it, and now we need to take away one cover foil of it. It is protected between two cover foils, and this is the easiest with a tape to do. Here it is. You can see it. You pull it away and stick this face to the aluminum plate. Got it? Finally. This is how it looked like. And now I will put it through the laminator, and we'll be finally back again. Well, we need to place this thing here. You can see it, yes. We need a glass plate. This is from a picture frame. And we need our drawing. Of course, the right way around. Put the glass over it so that it does not shift anywhere as a weight. Okay. And now we need light. Yes. And I have built this unit here. It is an old scanner that I ripped off its components, and I put in there 4 UV luminescent light bulbs. These are from a face tanner. And we need to put it on there with some distance. Okay. I need the face tanner backwards because the aluminium plate is too big. I can't get it on there. It is made for A4 paper, but the aluminium sheet is bigger. Okay. Okay. Looks stable. Let's see where I can find electricity for it. I will be back. It is good to have these cords around because the wall outlet is a bit far more away. Oh, sorry. Now let's switch the UV on, shall we? Yes, the UV lamp is on. It is a bit improvised, but sometimes you have to do it that way. When the lighting is over, I will come back again. It will take some minutes. So, we are back. Now we need to pull the foil off, right? There is a foil on this thing. Here you can see it. gently pull it off. It is off, and now we want developing, and therefore you need 1 liter water, what is in here, and 10 grams sodium carbonate dissolved in 1 liter water. That is what is in here. Okay. And now start developing. Because this thing is quite big, I need to improvise again. We will develop this for some minutes, 1-2 minutes, and after that I need to wash it in the sink. See you later. Welcome back. I have developed the plate now, and if you ask me, this is looking pretty great for my first try. And as you can see, I have made it with some patches along the cracked foil, because I had some problems with it. I needed to strip it and reapplicate 5 times along with this process of putting it in place, expose it and develop it. And the hardest place is the lamination process, if you ask me, because first, when you laminate it, you have to be so precise with it that you don't get any air bubbles into this lamination, of the negative resist. But another problem that I couldn't find out, maybe you know it, is when you develop it, and I tried 1% solution of sodium carbonate, and I tried it at room temperature at 40 degrees centigrade, 50 degrees centigrade and 60 degrees centigrade, and every time I tried it, this blue photoresist became holes in it. Even the parts where I got light on it, and I couldn't get why that happens. But at least this one is the best I could get, and the lighting I tried 1 minute, 4 minutes and 5 minutes, and all worked out quite well. I don't know how much I can go down with the lighting, as my exposure unit is quite strong with 4 fluorescent lights, 15 watts each. This makes 60 watts in total of UV light. maybe I can go down to half a minute or 30 seconds. I don't know. I didn't write it. But I believe there are some people out there who know where the exact region could be. And this is now the etching process, and I wanted to try a different way with the aluminium plate. I believe hydrochloric acid would work fine to etch it away, but I wanted to try a galvanic method, electro etching it, you know. Therefore you just need a bath with solution. This is what I have here. Okay, you can see it. Yes, you can. A power supply that I can adjust. That is that. And you need something to make the water conductive. And I used half a kilo of salt, just sodium chloride, what you use for cooking and eating, of 10 liters of the bath makes 5% solution if you calculate it. And then it is important that you connect the piece you want to etch, which is my plate here. You connect this to positive, and the other plate, which is aluminium foil in my case, I connect this to the negative. And I will try 15 minutes to half an hour at 2 amps, and the voltage that is needed for it to push 2 amps through the solution. And then we will see later if it's enough or not. So let's begin. Like that. Everything is underwater, and I forgot to say that I masked off the back of the aluminium plate with packing tape, package tape. And now we connect to this minus. Well, first plus to the plate. It makes easier. I just took a cable because this is not long enough. Let's connect this to there. I go and grab another crocodile clip. So here we are. You can put it on this here, and now we have a makeshift connection thing. Now the power supply is activated. When I connect it, it should begin to bubble. Well, no, didn't turn up the voltage. But now, I hope you can see it. I need to start the timer now first. Okay, timer started. I will be back in 15 minutes. But you don't have to watch it. Well, I decided to give you an overall look again. As you can see, the etching bath. This is minus, connected to the power supply. I'm not sure if you can see it very well. 3.3 volts at 2 amps. And plus is here on the plate. Okay, we'll be back when the time is up. And sorry for the shaking. Here we are back after our etching process. And as you ask yourself how it is coming out, the part, I just show you. These here, you can see, are parts that the resist did not cover fully. And this is the text I wanted to have. And as I say, this is DIY, and little mishaps are okay, because we all are not perfect and need to learn. So I'm quite happy about it. The reason I did make these little grooves here is because I want to paint it. Maybe you asked yourself what I want to use as paint, and what I did use for covering the resist, and it is simply this, okay? Just nail varnish. It holds good on aluminium, as I found out. Is quite water resistant, and is dark enough for this. I couldn't find black, which I would prefer, but well, you can't have everything, don't you? So we will come back after painting it.